survey ever. Every species counts, and India is counting them all. Happy World Wildlife Day. 6,327 river dolphins counted, thanks to the largest. India is saving its tigers and elephants. But wait, is that it? Be it snow leopards in the Himalayas or cheetahs in Madhya Pradesh, India's wildlife revival is real. PM Modi made it a priority, becoming the voice for voiceless creatures. Snow leopards, 718 counted in the first ever scientific survey. 20 cheetahs thriving after the world's first transcontinental reintroduction.